to the day 47 of my 90 Days Go and Success Challenge. Today is about our favorite parenting quotes. We actually pick 5 quotes we have heard over the years and find to be very true to use. Number 1, the best part of being a parent is the moment you realize you would not want your life any other way. Number 2, to be in your children's memory tomorrow, you have to be in their lives today. Number 3, don't worry that your children never listen to you, but worry that they are always watching you. Number 4, children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them will make an impression. Number 5, the best thing to spend on your children is time. We would like to thank you for coming today and your support. To learn more about our business, please register at the link below and we will get back to you. And that's all for today, and see you tomorrow for my day 48. Thank you and God bless. Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.